Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are gonna be unboxing the RedGear Shadow Blade mechanical gaming keyboard. So let's get started. So let's see the box first. On the left side there are some features listed here, and on the back side is the same page. So let's open the box now. I'll just open it. The box condition is not very good. So first of all we get a keycap holder for pulling out our keys, and here is the instruction manual. We'll read it later. And here is the wrist rest. It's one of the key features of this keyboard, and I'll now take out our main keyboard. It's very heavy guys, very heavy. The build quality is super good. And this is the keyboard. I'll just keep aside the box. Okay guys, so this is the main keyboard, and at the back there's some mechanism from which you can put the wire according to your setup on the direction you want. And yep, this is the gold plated USB. I'll just focus it. Yeah, you can see it. So I'll quickly attach the wrist rest now. You can see that there's some space at the back for the wrist rest to be attached right here, and like this. Yeah, at the back also. Yeah, you can see that it has been attached. And so I'll quickly attach the keyboard to my laptop now. Hey Google, turn off the studio light. So I'll just connect the USB cable to my laptop now, and you can see that the keyboard has turned on, and it always turns on with this pattern. You can see that our keyboard is now turned on, and this keyboard comes with 22 spectrum LED modes. So I'll quickly show all the modes to you one by one. This is the RGB off mode. So this is a mechanical keyboard, and it comes with clicky blue switches. I'll just show them to you from the keycap puller. You can see that this is a keycap puller, and I can take out any key from it like this. You can see that there are blue switches, and I'll just put the key back. I'll just show you the sound of the keyboard now. So it's pretty good sound. Let's just quickly see the instruction manual now. On this page you get different modes for different games, and on the other page you get the software operation and how to use the volume knob and how to connect the USB. And here you also get the multimedia option right over the function keys. You can switch to different apps and volume and many things also. And here you get the lightning modes shortcuts like this. I showed you this before. And here's the reset option from which you can factory reset, and this is the record LED custom mode button, and this is the roller LED mode. You can just change the volume knobs, breathing LED, and turn it off also. And that was it. So I've been using this keyboard from the last 3 months, and it has given me a pretty good productivity and also pretty good accuracy. The only thing which I thought that it should have been there in this keyboard was the all key RGB option, from which you could assign any RGB to any key in the keyboard. Overall for me it's a pretty nice keyboard, and if you want to buy it, I'll put the link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for more technology videos. Bye bye.